What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Camila, and today I will be showing you a simple way on how to create an intro for your channel or anything else that you want to use it for. This is technically part 2 of my first video. I'm using videos instead of images, and this is going to be totally free for you. As long as you are an iOS user. So you're gonna start off by Googling or looking for your background video. In this case, I looked for aesthetic backgrounds, and I'll be using this clip right here. So all you have to do is open a new tab, go to keepbit.com or whatever. Right to this page, you copy the link from your YouTube video, you paste it, you go close that tab, and you download the video. I have it downloaded already, and it's basically this one right here. So you open it, and when you open it, you look for the clip that you want to use for your background. Then you go to edit right in the top corner of your window, and you split the clip, and then you play that clip again till the end of the clip, which is going to be right there, couple seconds before this. And then you split it again, and you delete the first one, delete the last one, and you have your cut clip already. Done. You save it. I have it saved, and that's step 1. Step 2, you open Keynote, you go to a basic white template, you change this to black, and this is going to be a blank slide, and then you attach your background, and then you place it like that. Now you want to add text to it. The text is going to be white. You try to center this with the butterfly. Okay, that looks okay. You gotta make sure that the video is right here in order number 1. You go to animate at your right corner, top corner. You click that, and it has to be order 1, and then we're gonna start building an order. You can take a look at my first video, which I explained how to build orders on Keynote a little bit better, which is also an intro. So yeah, start, and it should be, hold on. Before we go to build an order, we have to animate the text. You add an effect, and I like the keyboard. But I don't know, the keyboard is going to look good with the video. So then you build an order. It's going to be, hold on. It's going to be with build 1. Film is going to be on click. Your text is going to be with build 1, which is build 1 is the video. And I don't think I want a delay. that has to last longer. So now that we've created the order, I need my text to last as long as the background video. So it's going to be about 8 seconds. Okay, so now that I've played around with the animations and durations and directions, I've decided keyboard is the effect that I'll leave for my text. It's going to be a duration of 8 seconds. It's going to move forward, and I really don't know what cursor means, but I'll just let it be. It's going to be deliver all at once. The action.
I don't think I have one in action. It might be too much. Let's see how this looks like. No, definitely no action.
Okay, so after we have our text and our background placed, we need our social media. So we're gonna look for it. Social media PNG icons. Okay, now that I have my social media icons.
That is just such a word, a hard word for me to pronounce.
So now that I have these icons, I am obviously missing my username. And in this case, my user is the same for every. Let's assume it's the same for Facebook, which is not, but that's fine just for the sake of this video. And you just look for a nice font.
We can just leave the same that you have, but I personally don't like this one. Oh, that's a nice one. That can actually be mine.
Okay, so I just realized this clip is just too it lasts too short, so I'll go ahead and I'll do the other butterflies as well. So I'm just splitting it. Y ahora sí. We're pretty much over, almost done. I do want a subscribe thingy, so let's look for another subscribe. Subscribe clip. I haven't found a subscribe button that I like or that goes with my theme. So let's just try to go ahead and create one. We'll go ahead and click text, and
And then we're gonna put his like.
okay, so I like how it looks so far. Just to make sure, build order, background is the video, and the text just comes like overlaying one on top of the other. The start of each item or element, however you want to call it, has to be, in this case, after your build or with the build, however you like it. It's actually just for you to watch it over and over again to see if it's blurring all together, if you know what I mean. Um, I'm really not liking how it is just like there's no end, it's just like gone. So let me try to see if we can like put another video or overlay from the video that we downloaded already.
Because it was not working, like the last video that we attached was just not working. So let me just try and see if it works. See, it's still, I don't get it. What?
Oh, okay. Two of those. I see what the problem is.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, so there's something wrong with the if you'd like. Um Okay, so now let's clip the other film, which is film number 3 right here. And I just basically want this like on the top. We're gonna format it, and the opacity is gonna be like real low. Maybe a 20 is good. Yeah, 20 is more than good. And I don't know, maybe we might blur it. Yeah, blurred is okay. Okay, so now this is a tricky part. This right here is gonna come up to here, and it's gonna be with build 7. And let's preview. Let's see if it works. Oh damn. Okay, now I want it to last longer, so let's try to put a delay on it. And let's put it from over here. I might want this to last longer. Also, there's something weird on the audio, so we're gonna go to the last film, which is that one, and we're gonna click on movie, and we're gonna lower all the volume. And I'm also gonna trim it. I might want, yeah, right there. Now let's see.
Okay, not bad. I might want this to now just like disappear on the end. So we're gonna go ahead and arrange everything all the way from the last one to the first one. And that was going to be the last movie, which is film 3. But let me just go ahead and do text instead. Okay, so I'll just move this right here for a minute. And I might want everything to just disappear.
You know what? Never mind. I really don't want for them to like disappear. So I'm just gonna save this. We're ready to export it, and we're gonna save it as a movie. And it's gonna be self-playing, all slides. There's gonna be 0 seconds just in case we missed something, which I don't think so. And 720 is alright. Film done. Alrighty, so this is the final result, which I'm really happy with. Please let me know in the comments if you went ahead and did your intro using my stuff. It actually makes me very happy when y'all do. If you got to this point, I really hope it helped out. Again, thank you for watching, and y'all have a safe and fun quarantine.